So when it comes to YouTube Shorts, it's pretty much YouTube's version of TikTok and Instagram Reels. Everything you've learned about YouTube is pretty much compiled into the YouTube Shorts, just in a short form. I know that's kind of funny, but it's a little different from TikTok and Instagram Reels. The reason being is because TikTok, you're targeting an audience that's brand new. With YouTube Shorts, you're not going to be targeting an audience that's brand new. You're going to be targeting the audience that you already have. Now, I'm going to give you guys a really good tip about YouTube Shorts, and I strongly suggest you guys do this. I know you guys are probably going to be like, man, I really want to post shorts on this channel. But guys, the best way to utilize shorts is creating another channel. You want to treat YouTube Shorts like a completely different niche. And the reason why I say this is because you never want to mix short form content with long form content. As I explained to you guys have to understand that there are people that don't really have the same attention span that they used to have because of TikTok and IG Reels. So you guys want to make sure if you're going to be going and attacking, YouTube Shorts and you're going to be trying it out, make sure you try it out on a channel that's only for YouTube Shorts, because you never want to mix long form content with short form content. Now, when it comes to YouTube Shorts, there's best times to post, okay? Now, normally on TikTok, best times to post are the times that you're in your time zone, but on YouTube, it's completely different, okay? So when it comes to YouTube Shorts, you want to post at 11 a.m. Eastern time, okay? Or you want to post at 3 p.m. Eastern time, or you want to post at 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay? Once you guys reach 50,000 subscribers on your YouTube Shorts channel or on your channel in general, YouTube's going to have an analytic for you guys to see when the best time to post, okay? And that's going to be basically a bunch of highlights that are purple. The higher the light, like the lighter the purple, that means the more people are online. Okay, and so once you hit 50,000 subscribers, you're going to be able to go back into your analytics and actually see, what exactly are the times that your people are online. And you no longer have to go with the 11 o'clock, 3 p.m., or 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the 7 p.m. time slots. You don't have to do that, okay? So when it comes to doing YouTube Shorts, you just want to make sure you're targeting an audience that's already online, that is subscribed to your channel. Now, another really cool tip about YouTube Shorts, and this is kind of a hack. So I don't know if you guys know about the community tab, but the community tab is something that a lot of creators really don't utilize. But do you know, if you utilize the community tab, it reaches a brand new audience, and every single person that reacts to your community tab post, guess what? It's just like the recommendations. As soon as they tap or interact with your community post, they will be recommended your newest video. You have to think about YouTube almost like a car that you see that you've never heard of before. Once you see that car the first time in traffic, you'll always start to notice it, right? It's something that you've noticed, but you never really thought existed, right? So that's exactly how your YouTube channel is going to be. And so when you're using the community tab, when somebody notices your community poll, or they vote for it, or they like it, or they interact with it, it can be something just random, like who likes burgers or hot dogs. Like people will decide who likes pizza or burgers. Like people will just go ahead and decide exactly what they like more, right? They'll vote for it subconsciously, not even knowing that now that they interacted with your community post, that your video is going to pop up in front of them. Now, when it comes to using YouTube Shorts and you're just trying to reach a broader audience, it is going to be a lot easier for you to go viral, but only if you're using these key things. Now, as you guys know on TikTok, if you are going viral, you have to use a popular sound. It's the same thing with YouTube Shorts. Now, when it comes to YouTube Shorts, you want to make sure you're using a sound with at least 100,000 videos made to it. If it doesn't have more than 100,000 videos made to it, do not even touch the sound, because most likely it's not popular enough for people to actually go ahead and see it pop up on their Shorts tab. And the same thing just with your YouTube channel. With your YouTube Shorts channel, you're going to want to make sure you niche down and you're just sticking to one niche and one niche alone. You can't be hopping from niche to niche, because when you're hopping from niche to niche on the YouTube Shorts, it's just going to keep throwing it to different audiences, and it is going to go ahead and hurt your YouTube channel if you guys just keep on switching niches and your audience isn't really engaged with the content that you're posting.